Welcome! In today's video we're going to show you an idea to work on the emotions with your little one. Today we make a wheel of emotions with a Gato rainbow and a Gata moon. To make this material we will need cardboard, colored markers, a black marker, a little piece of paper, a fastener, paper or cardboard of these colors, scissors, glue or tape, and a little piece of acetate. We start by cutting 2 circles of the same size on our cardboard. Now we make the same circle on a sheet of paper and fold it twice. And we mark this shape on our cardboard circle. And remember to put another quarter of a circle at the angle, so we can put in the fastener later. Now we're going to start coloring in the rest of the circle. I'm making dots of all colors. And now we're going to cut out the part that we marked before. Oh, and of course, don't forget to subscribe! We upload a new video every week. And now we're going to take the color paper I told you about before and use the same template we used for the circle. We cut it out. And now we're going to glue them onto our circle until it's complete. Now we take another piece of paper, we fold it in half, and we will make half the shape of Gato rainbow. And when we open it, it's symmetrical. But what we have to keep is the leftover paper. It'll be our template to make the faces centered. You can choose the 4 emotions that you want to show to your little ones. I'm making a happy face, now a scared face, a sad face, and finally an angry face. And before putting together a wheel of emotions, I wanted to tell you that we uploaded a new resource to our website, and we love it. It's these cards with summer vocabulary, which are perfect for practicing reading and writing this summer. You have to mark the correct initial, and on the back you have to copy the word. They're available in English too, as always. Or even write it in lowercase letters. What do you think? You can download it for free on the link we left in the description box. And now we'll continue with the wheel. I've cut the acetate in a circle, and I'm going to glue it on the back of the cardboard. Like this. And now with a nail or any sharp object, I'm going to make a hole in the center. And when we're done, we can put in the fastener. And we move it around a little bit. And now we do the same thing on the wheel that we've done with the little faces. And now, super important, before we put the wheel together, we're going to take our template and glue it on the back. We make sure it's glued in place, and if it's necessary, we put a little bit more glue on the acetate. And now it's ready to put together. We put a wheel on top of the other, and we put in the fastener. Although we're missing a small detail, we put in a little piece of paper and write, "How do you feel?" And we glue it. And of course, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And that's how our wheel of emotions looks like. It's very important to talk about emotions with our children, and this type of material helps a lot. So we can talk about the different emotions, how we feel when we're sad, angry, happy, or scared, and the fact of associating each one to a different color helps them to understand it much better. Well, and in today's video, we want to say hello to Manuel and Victoria, who asked us in the comments of our last video. Hello! See you next week!